The government has formally kicked off the process to privatize the Kenya Pipeline Company through an initial public offering (IPO) at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. This marks one of Kenya's most significant state divestitures in recent years. In a public notice published in local dailies, the Privatization Commission, the agency charged with implementing the country's privatization program, has invited bids from qualified firms to provide transaction advisory services for the planned IPO following approval by Parliament early in the month. Jimmy Mbogo reports.
In a notice published on Thursday, the Commission announced it is seeking a team of advisors led by a lead transaction advisor to coordinate and execute the Kenya Pipeline Corporation IPO process. The advisory roles, which have been divided into 8 slots, include lead transaction advisor, stock brokering, accounting, legal, advertising, public relation, receiving bank, and registrar services, with interested firms being given until October 21, 2025 to submit their proposals. The Commission further announced that the advisors will be selected through a quality cost-based selection QCBS method as outlined by the Public Procurement and Asset Disposal Act of 2015. And although the privatization of Kenya Pipeline Company has attracted mixed reaction, the Commission says the move aims to unlock KPC's full commercial potential while allowing ordinary Kenyans to own a share of one of the country's most strategic enterprises. The sale is also expected to raise funds to support the 2025-2026 national budget, while at the same time deepening the capital market and strengthening corporate governance through stock exchange listing and regulatory oversight. The IPO process was officially launched on October 9, 2025, and the Commission expects to conclude the entire transaction by March 31, 2026. Earlier, the High Court had issued conservatory orders restraining the government from proceeding with key steps of the KPC privatization, barring the state from offering, disposing, transferring, or otherwise dealing with any share of KPC until the matter was fully heard. The injunction was as a result of a petition filed by the Consumer Federation of Kenya, COFEC, which argued that the process breached the law by failing to ensure transparency, public participation, and proper parliamentary oversight as required under the Privatization Act and the Constitution. The High Court later lifted the orders, blocking debate on the privatization, allowing MPs to consider the proposal. Jimmy Mbogo, Citizen